This is a 50-gallon tank and we're going to remove the watermarks. We're removing the background decoration sheet from this aquarium. We're going to remove the sand and the dirt inside the aquarium first. So we're using paintbrush to put all the sands to the side and the dust, so we can, and removing the cobwebs too, so that we can clean off and remove this from the tank. It's like you're sweeping inside the tank. There you go. Then we're going to remove it. I got a plastic scooper that I cut out from this soft drink bottle, and use this to scoop all those dirt and sand inside this tank. So, and it's easy to transfer and remove it from the tank. There you go. Okay, let me just remove the label. There. Then transfer it. We can still use the sand. Just remove and wash the dirt out. Let's get started. I'll be using vinegar, and I used Scotch-Brite and a piece of sandpaper, and we'll be soaking the sides of the tank or where the watermarks are, and we'll be scrubbing it. So I'll be adding vinegar to the watermarks. I'm gonna soak it a bit for a few minutes, and then we'll scrub it. I'm not forcing it too much so the glass won't break, but I'm trying to scrub it right now. It might be helpful to put vinegar directly to the scrub. There you go. Then, using a sandpaper, I would try to scrub a bit of the hard part where the watermarks are. Just a bit. Scrub it again. And we'll try to do this all throughout the tank. So as you can see, I'm starting to soak all the sides. That is having a watermark. Okay, I'm putting more of the vinegar, and what we're doing here is we're trying to soak first all the watermarks, but some of it are removing already, just those hard parts, and we'll do it entirely on the tank. Now we have washed it a bit to see if we need to scrub more, but as you could see, the watermarks that we have here earlier, it's all gone. There's just a few that we need to scrub a bit, but I haven't cleaned the outside of the tank yet. Let me just do that right now. See, just comparing it from earlier, the calcium buildup here earlier. This one is much more clearer, just a little more scrub. And that's how you do it. So there you go, guys. So as you can see, the watermarks that we had earlier, it's also gone on this side. So we'll just keep on washing it until the entire tank. If you will see the difference, this is how it looks like earlier. Right there, see those watermarks? And this is the side where we have cleaned it already. And this side, there's just a bit of cloudy part because I haven't cleaned the outside of the tank yet. Let me show you on this side, as you will see here. The calcium buildup on this side is a bit thick and I have to scrub it more. But guys, this is just the remedy, but I can't assure you that the glass would be a bit scratchy. But this is the only way to save the tank. So I haven't cleaned it yet. The vinegar solution is still in there, and I'm just trying to fill up the tank. But as you can see, we can see the other side of the glass tank, and there you go. There are some scratch, and I would like to see that if that will be visible whenever that will be placing fresh water in it. So as you could see, we placed the tank on its sides, and I'm trying to wash out all the vinegar and water. You will see on the side of the tank there's a hole there where the water can come out so that you can rinse it well and prepare it, and we'll try to fill up the tank if there's anything that needs to be fixed. So here it is. We're done removing all the watermarks from the 50-gallon tank. And don't forget to click like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hope Kusina 101. And also click the bell icon for you to be notified with all the vlog that we have done, planting adventure and cooking at home too. So have a good day. Bye-bye.